bitches, they wanna have my baby. Nah.
Hey, what up, YouTube? It's your boy JWASH. Welcome back to JWASH TV. All right, as I promised you yesterday, I was going to do the on feet of the Jordan 4 Lightnings. I kind of want to push this out before guys go for it on Saturday, this Saturday. Like I said in my live, if you guys watched it, man, appreciate everybody that came through, man. I didn't think I would even get that many people who even view it or even in the chat. Appreciate everybody for showing up. I'm going to be back. I'm going to be back strong as fuck, so appreciate you guys for supporting the channel still. Your boy JWASH is always going to be here. Might take a little break just the fact that Nike's not blessing the kid, but I'm coming back, man. So I got a couple of reviews I'm gonna pull out to you guys throughout these next couple of weeks. Got a couple pick up from StockX and just some more stuff that Nike's blessed me with. But I'm gonna get you guys this on feet of these Jordan 4s, and good luck to everybody on Saturday, man. If you're going for them, make sure you go for them, man. These are pretty dope in person, as you already know. I showed you yesterday. And in the comment section below, man, let me know if you guys like that live review, because it's much easier for me because I have 4 kids. And stuff like that, so it's easier for me to get on live real quick instead of, you know, making a video, editing it up, and stuff like that. So I kind of like the live thing. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I'm not matching, so if y'all see me in the video without matching the 4s, don't pop up in my comment section, you know. Just playing, man. Comment everything on the bottom. I don't care if you're hating or not, man. Just comment anything, supporting the channel, man. Make sure y'all go ahead and hit, let me get 20 likes on this video right here for the Lightning 4s. More, I'll take it. Less, I'll take it. Either or. But hey, 20 likes on this one right here for the Lightning 4s on feet, man. See y'all in the gym. Peace out. Hey, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. If you see this on your news feed, make sure you subscribe. And I appreciate Dirty for sharing my video yesterday, man. I appreciate you, man. So much support from you, man, from day one. You need to jump back on the tube too, man. Appreciate you, Dirty. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. If you're a new one, man, let me know in the comment section below how long you've been rocking with JWASH TV. I'm just rambling, man. It's so good to be back on the YouTube, bro. It's 2 minutes in the part. Let's go.
Roll on the beat.